survive! We will survive!
We are not surviving this! Whoa! Oh my god! No! No! Stop! Woo! The wheels are broken!
We will survive!
Ah! Oh!
Okay, we survived! We survived! 5 minutes later.
No! 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 Please stop it right now! Else I swear, when I get off this car, I'm gonna beat your ass! Stop it! Stop it! No! Please! Help me! I swear! Please! Oh, never mind, I survived again. Oof. Oh.
You are survived again, Mateo!
I'm gonna beat your ass! Come here! How to lower down your volume? First, you click this button, and then it will do magic. And yeah, the end.
Going back.
It looks like we're in heaven. No!
64? 100. I said 100.
Fuck! My game crashed!
Oh, fuck.
My game crashed!
Yeah, Johnny.
Move the phone. Stop moving around. Okay. Let me on your head, Daddy. Let me go get on you.
Ew, what did you call?
I don't know. I don't. Okay, goodbye.
See, that's Moda. It looks like Moda's face.
Looks like Pluto.
Wait, what did you say? What did you say?
Some people. Dude, I said don't kill me!